I'm gonna be changing out the brakes, front and back, on a G35. Pull in the car. Just gonna leave it like that. There's our oil filter. I always have trouble every time I change my oil, the thing gets stuck. So we just bought this. This goes around the thing and just. So I'm gonna put on some gloves because the job is extra dirty. You're working with oil, throw out a lot of trash. So you're gonna want to put some cardboard around the area because oil does tend to spill. Where all the oil sits on the bottom. 14 mil socket, so you're just gonna go poof, just like that, right there. While we're letting that drain, I'm gonna open up the cap on the top so it can bleed the oil. So now you're just gonna get. But I was taught that you just put a little around the seal, a little around the gasket, so I'm gonna get like a little tight seal. Should be on there right there. One you want. And people with oil, please do not put your oil in the trash can. You will kill a shit ton of life. There's ways to dispose of it. AutoZone is free. What I do is I change out my oil, last of it, and I put it in one little quart, and I have this whole container. And drop it in there slowly. You're gonna get your cap it up, and take it to your local place. And the reason why I like doing it in a little jar is because I can see whether or not my engine is running good, if it has like little pieces of metal, which it doesn't. So if your car is running bad, it will have like little chunks of metal, or like the G is good. Damn, that shit needs an oil change though. We're gonna be changing out these two brakes on a G35. I was thinking of let's do the back first, so let's hop into it. So you're gonna get this bolt. Oh. Your boy got it. Yeah. Are my new ones. Don't be afraid to get dirty. You will get dirty. Like that. That. So I don't have like that little thing, but I use a little bar right here that I have. and I just like put it right there and just like pulled it as hard as I could, and that took out the little. I don't really need to do all that. I really didn't need to do all that. I'll put your brake right back on like that, and just redo the steps you just did. Wait. Brake lube. Won't like squeak or anything. A little bit like where all the clamps meet up. Next side, do not put it on the front side, please. You're gonna be spinning, going in like 20 more. Put your bolts back in. And you always need an attachment because this shit rubs right here. So you need the attachment. Just do it like this. All cranked up. You are ready to go. So that was just the back brakes. I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll come back to you guys when I do the fronts. So there you guys have it. Oh, I would change out the front brakes for you guys and record and everything, but it's like the same thing. Just the top part, the top of the front brake on the G35 is a 17 mil instead of a 14. So just do the same thing y'all saw that I did in the back, in the front, and y'all will have brakes to go and oil to go. But just don't wear white because you will get messy. I'm gonna put on some gloves. You will get messy. All right. Thank you guys for staying and watching. Do your 250 push-ups a day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.